So this dick face in back of us decided to tow this lady pickup truck, right? Because she was illegally parked somewhere for a few seconds. And he was just watching her ass. Crazy shit, right? So this lady decided to take matters in her own hands and get back what's rightfully hers, y'all. Watch the video to the end. Check it out. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Just trying to get her shit back, that's all. Freeway. Everyone out there, like, share, subscribe. Follow me for more content. You're like a hop, skipping away from reaching 10K. So repost this shit, share, favorite. And I do the same back. Let's grow, let's go. Bam. You see, she tried to get the fuck up out of there with her shit. Not today. Well, just get out of the way, let her go, let her go. It's her shit.